Good morning, everyone. I'm Daniel. I work for Asia Group Company. As of the moment, our company in Okai City, Nagano Prefecture is looking for 3 persons who could work as inspectors. Yeah, the working hours will start from 8:20 up to 5:20 in the afternoon. Of course, you can work overtime. The starting salary is from 160,000 yen up to 210,000 yen. Of course, it has a bonus in it. It only requires conversational level of Japanese, no experience needed, as long as you could work for a longer period of time. If you want to apply for this job, you can come and visit our office here with this address, or you can call this number. We attend a job fair every day, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. while every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday at 2 p.m. We have contract for more than 20 companies, and if you have any further questions, please come and visit us. Thank you so much.